You have to leave that in there. You have to leave that in there.
Saba. And it's so sad because this happens to me.
That happens to me every day.
Disgusting. Hi.
Hello.
We're back. Well, we don't have a video with you yet, so would you like to introduce yourself?
My name is Saba, and we're sisters.
This is my sister. I've been wanting to introduce her on my channel for a while now, but I only have one video, so yeah, this is our first video together. If you haven't seen my first video, leave this, go watch that. So today, due to high demand, we will be showing you guys how we do our hair. And you may be wondering why I look insane and why she doesn't.
Because I took a shower.
She took a shower. My hair right now is untouched. This is how I woke up.
This is me after a shower.
I woke up like this. Flawless.
Literally
Anyway,
for 2 hours.
so we have all of our hair stuff here on the ground. And we'll be showing you guys how we do it. So first thing I'm gonna do, which she already did, is I'm gonna spray and wet my hair.
I think you should refill
Yeah,
that.
I'm gonna do it in the sink. So I'm gonna go wet my hair. I'll be back.
Okay.
Wait,
Let me
I'm
just
gonna
use this hoe.
I'm gonna do like a transition of me doing my hair. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Now that my hair's wet, I'm gonna take this wide-toothed comb.
Let me see this.
It hurts. This is an everyday thing of detangling. Usually I do this in the shower though. I just did this. My hair's super wet. Ow. So yeah, if you have straight hair, be blessed that you don't have to
go through this shit.
go through this every...
I feel like people with straight hair just take a shower and go about their day.
Oh, that would be so nice.
Isn't that what they do?
How long would you say that you take on your hair every day?
Not too long, because like I said, I don't really do my hair. I just put shit in it all day. Like, I just really take a shower and I put shit in it. But
Okay,
sometimes
like, how
I hate
long
when my
would you
hair
say?
doesn't... I don't know.
Sometimes my hair will look bad. Oh, did I spray you?
Yes.
Sorry. Sometimes my hair will take forever.
Because sometimes my hair doesn't cooperate. You know, like curly hair sometimes does not cooperate. So you have to like spend extra time on it. And it's so fucking annoying. I don't know. I feel like people with straight hair don't have that issue. Their hair is always cooperating. Do you like Diva Curl?
Yes.
That's my favorite.
I like it.
I like it a lot. That's my favorite.
If you have curly hair, you're going to spend your whole life just like finding hair everywhere.
Literally.
At your friend's house. Your friends will be finding your hair. So, my hair is fully detangled now. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, so I'm going to use the Garnier Fructis Nourishing Tree 1 Minute Hair Mask. It has coconut extract in it. And you can just put these in. You don't even have to wash them out, right?
I'm going to use... No, you don't have to wash them. I mean, you can.
You're supposed to?
On it says to wash it out. But sometimes I don't wash it out.
But I never wash them out. You never wash them out.
I do sometimes. Like, I do sometimes. I put them before a shower, and I go in the shower, like, 10 minutes later.
Yeah. A little bit, you know, give her some moisture.
It really makes my hair soft. So that's why I like it. Like, they all make my hair really, really soft.
My hair doesn't look curly right now. I swear it is.
Her hair is curly.
We're just having a bad hair day. Okay.
This one's the Diva Curl Styling Cream. And Diva Curl is my favorite curly hair.
Yeah,
like,
so I just got these. We love Diva Curl.
Diva Curl is my favorite.
The problem with these, though, is they're very expensive.
They're like $40 each or something.
Yeah.
Like
Next, we're going to go in with the Shea Moisture Castor Oil.
I love this.
And yo, we do this every single day. This is the Diva Curl Ultra Defining Gel.
This is my favorite thing from Diva Curl has to be, it's either this, what is it? The volumizing foam.
When you're not American.
That ass.
And this is just to kind of give you some, you know, definition.
Yeah.
See, the curls are coming in now. Okay, and then So sometimes I'll wake up and my curls will just like not be having their best day, and I don't have time to like take, hours fixing my hair. So what I do is I take something that's very thick and put it on your finger or like on your hand, and then throw some curls in the back, and then select one.
Select one.
Cover it, and then we're gonna do some finger twists. So you're just gonna curl some pieces. Like I only do like 3 or 4 just to give you a little boost of curl.
I don't like when I like use like, I hate using like foams and stuff because like it's a hit or miss, I feel like.
Yeah.
Like,
and also they can dry your hair out a lot.
Yes, they either make your hair
Guys,
like,
pro tip number 1, never use a hair product with alcohol in it. Except majority of my hair products have alcohol in them, but they just like mess your hair up. And then you're gonna take your gel and then scrunch your little
all I do is I really like just scrunch my hair
finger
all
curl.
day.
And yeah, when those dry, they'll be nice and tight. Hey guys, so sorry about that. I'm making this video really quick while editing just to like say a couple things. First thing, the video cut off, which is so annoying, but basically after we did everything that we just showed, we have to wait 1 to 2 hours for our hair to air dry, and then it's good to go. And we're going to show the results right after this little intermission. And 2, I know I seem very angry this entire video, and I swear I don't hate Saba. She's literally my like best friend in the whole world. But I'm very mad because I had already filmed this video like 3 times, and every time I film this video, something happened to it. Like, I'm convinced something's gonna happen to this video. If you see this video, I'm probably happy crying somewhere right now. But yeah, I was just pissed because I had already filmed this video so many times, and it's kind of hard to like keep filming the same hair video over and over. So yeah, that's why I was a little flustered, but I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, stay tuned for the results in 3, 2, 1. Show your hair. So this is her hair after.
Sorry, I have one eyelash on. I want another. I want a half, like a small amount, not a full scrunch. I just want to.
So our curls are not dry. They're like half dry. But this is how it looks. Hey guys, so this is just like another clip of my hair. This is a different day. I put my hair into 2 little ponytails at the top. And I'm really loving it today. It really came out nice. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys this. I'm currently driving to work. Wow, I'm so pretty. Your fave could never.
Wait, you have to do the kiss.
3,
2, 1.